After the embarkation disaster we had just gone through on Carnival Firenze, we honestly had no idea what to expect when we finally got to our stateroom. At that point we were tired, frustrated, and just hoping the room wasn't going to be another disappointment. But surprisingly, this ended up being one of the better parts of the cruise. So in this video we're giving you a full tour of our Carnival Firenze stateroom and showing you what the room was really like after one of the worst embarkation experiences we've ever had. Was the cabin enough to save the start of the cruise? Let's take a look. Alright guys, so we are on the Carnival Firenze, is what they call it, right? Mm-hmm. And this is going to be the room tour. We are in room 2468. It is an Oceanview room. So let's go in and take a look. We've been in here already, but we're going to give you guys the tour. Alright. So you come in, I'm going to let the door shut behind me. So right here to the left, you've got some hooks for jackets and whatnot. Then over here, you got your light switch. They do put a card in there to keep the lights on, which is good. Then to your left, you've got some closet space. And that's where your life jackets are going to be. Down there. Pretty big closet. That's a good thing. Okay. Then we got one more closet here on the left. And that's going to be shelving. You got your safe. You got some drawers down here on the bottom. So... Alright, and then over here to the right, you've got your bathroom, you got a shower, standard capsule shower, toilet, sink, so basic bathroom here. The shower's not a bad size. Okay, so close this. You do have your thermostat here on the wall, and then you come down, and then this door is I guess you'd call this like a semi-bathroom. There's no toilet, but you do have a tub with another shower up there and a smaller sink here. So it's always pretty interesting when they have dual bathrooms like this.
The mirror is nice. It got a light on it too.
Yeah.
And they give you these.
Makeup mirror. Yep. So bathrooms aren't too bad.
Oh, look at the plug.
Yeah, there's one in the other
bathroom too.
Bathroom as well. So there is a plug in each bathroom. So yeah, not bad. It makes it nice because you could have two people showering at the same time if need be.
Yeah, that is nice.
And then just past that, over here on the left, you've got your little desk and your mini fridge down there. We already put some waters and everything in there. You have your telephone here, and then you do have some shelving here. So I will say they do have at least a good amount of storage. Then you do have a mirror there. And for plugs, you've got 2 US plugs, a 220, 2 USB-A's, and a European plug. So, yeah, that's your light on the mirror. So then, on opposite of the desk, you have your couch. Pretty good size. I think it comes out into a bed. You have a little coffee table there. And then you've got your king size bed with a nightstand on this side with a lamp and 2 USB-A's. And then on the other side, you do have a nightstand that's hidden behind the curtains with a lamp on it, and there are no plugs on that side. Right?
No, there's not.
So... yeah, so there you go. And then this is the view. Don't mind Tiffany's luggage there, but this is the view out the window. We are on deck 2, so we are pretty low. And then opposite of the bed, you have your TV. Decent sized TV. Some nice artwork behind the bed. So all in all, it's a nice room. We'll get more into how we feel about the ship in our day one recap, because we have some thoughts to share. But all in all, the room is nice. It's definitely doable. This is only a four-day cruise, but it's definitely not a bad room. So there you have it, guys. That is our room tour. Quick and simple. What do you think of the room, hon?
I think it's nice. It's roomy like all the other rooms, you know.
Yeah.
At least in the middle, you don't get much space on that side of the bed, but
Right.
it's okay. What are you really going to be doing over there anyway, right?
Yeah. So there you guys have it. Nice little room. It'll do us good for 4 days. Can't say the same for the ship so far, but we'll talk about that in our recap. So there you guys have it.